Welcome to Unit 507. We have our telephone, toilet and bath with lavatory, and shower with heater. Shoe rack. In the kitchen area, we have microwave oven, cooktop, bread toaster, rice cooker, wine glasses, cups, and electric kettle. Mini pantry, refrigerator, plates, bowls, set of cutleries, and cookwares. This is the living area with sofa, dining area, king-size bed, cabinet, smart TV with Netflix, aircon, and a balcony with a view of White Sand Beach and wave pool.
For more inquiries, please PM dito sa page or call me at 0927-852-6563. 100% legit. Pwede nyo rin po akong i-add sa personal Facebook account ko. Nakapublic po yan since 2009. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Book your stay now. Promo rates starts at $2,499.